Hi! In front of me is tablet NAVITEL T787 and today I would like to show you how you can manage location. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now white. That means that location is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, look for Location section, and when you find it, click on it. Lastly, click on this switcher next to Use Location to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!